नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओतून इयत्ता 7वी विज्ञान या विषयासाठी असणाऱ्या ब्रिज कोर्स अर्थात सेतू अभ्यासक्रमाच्या सोडवलेल्या कृतीपत्रिका म्हणजेच वर्कशीट्स शेअर केलेल्या आहेत। हा कोर्स 45 दिवसात पूर्ण करायचा असल्याने हा व्हिडिओ विद्यार्थी व शिक्षकांसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त असणार आहे। शासनाने दिलेल्या वेबसाईटवर हा कोर्स मराठीतून उपलब्ध आहे। मात्र हंसिनी चॅनलवर तुम्हाला सेमी इंग्लिश व इंग्लिश मीडियमसाठी आवश्यक असणाऱ्या विज्ञान विषयाच्या सर्व वर्कशीट उपलब्ध होतील। तेव्हा पुढे येणाऱ्या वर्कशीटसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा व अधिकाधिक व्हिडिओ शेअर करा।
राज्य शास्त्रीय संशोधन व परिशिक्षण परिषद महाराष्ट्र पुणे 30 प्रिपरेटरी ब्रिज कोर्स करिकुलम टेस्ट नंबर 1 स्टैंडर्ड 7th जनरल साइंस मार्क्स 15 वर्कशीट नंबर 1 to 9 time or duration is 30 minutes। Instructions: all questions are compulsory, marks are indicated in the left side, draw neat and label diagram wherever necessary, write only the option number of the correct answer for each multiple choice question। Question number 1, what are our uses? A part, soil. Soil has the property of plasticity, that is, it can be given any desired shape। When articles made from clay are baked, the minerals in the soil melt and while cooling bind other particles of soil together. These makes the baked particles hard। Soil has many other uses beside the nurture of plants। An important property of soil is that it holds water। As a result, water becomes available to us all the year round from deep places such as ponds and wells where it has collected naturally। Bricks used for construction work. Some vessels of everyday use are made from clay soil। The wall of some houses are also made of clay। B part, wood. It is used in making furnitures. It can also be used as a source of fuel। Utensils can be made from wood। Hand tools can be made from wood। Musical instruments can be made from wood। Wooden toys etc. also can be made। Question number 2. Classify the following into man-made disasters and natural disasters: motor accident, earthquake, storm, bomb blast, flood, war, tsunami, forest fire। Man-made disasters are motor accident, bomb blast, and war। Natural disasters are earthquake, storm, flood, tsunami, forest fire। Question number 3. Tell me, who should I pair with? Group A and Group B are given. The Group A should pair with whom? We have to write that. So Group A is amphibians, vapor, microorganisms, characteristics of living things। Group B, responsiveness to stimuli, soil formation, rain and frog। So the answer will be amphibian is for frogs, vapor is for rains, microorganisms is for soil formation, characteristics of living things is for responsiveness to stimuli। Question number 4. Write down what will happen if the following substances are heated। The above given picture is of camphor and naphthalene ball। If heat is given to these substances, these will get converted into gaseous state as these substances are sublimating substances। Question number 5. Who is different from us? A part, mango, banyan, gram, palm। Different is gram। B part, copper, gold, iron, wood। The different is wood। Question number 6. Write down what first aid will you give to your friend after a minor burn? Hold the injured part under water, give him or her water to drink, Clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Do not apply oily ointments. Cover wounds using dry dressings. Give emotional support. Question number 7. Draw the diagram of plant and show the following parts, namely root, stem and leaves. Refer the below diagram. I have shown the parts of plants, namely the leaf, the stem and the roots. राज्य शास्त्रीय संशोधन व परिशिक्षण परिषद महाराष्ट्र पुणे 30 प्रिपरेटरी ब्रिज कोर्स करिकुलम टेस्ट नंबर 1 स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स मार्क्स 15 वर्कशीट नंबर 1 to 9 time or duration is 30 minutes instructions all questions are compulsory marks are indicated in the left side draw neat and label diagram wherever necessary write only the option number of the multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Match the pair. Here some figures are given and name of figures like ray, line segment, line, plane are given. You have to write the answers. So the first figure is of line segment. The second figure is of a ray. Third figure is of a plane. And fourth figure is of the line. Question number 1b. Write opposite numbers minus 48, 15, minus 99. Given numbers and the opposite numbers we have to write. So the opposite number of minus 48 will be positive 48. The opposite number of 15 will be minus 15. Minus 99's opposite number will be positive 99. Question number 2. Solve the following questions. A part. Classify the following numbers as positive and negative numbers. Minus 5 is a negative number. 9 is a positive number. Minus 2 is a negative number. And 23 is a positive number. B part. Show the following numbers on number line. 3.5, 0.8, 1.9, 4.2. Here I have shown you how to plot on the number line. You can draw it in your notebook. Question number 3. Add 9 plus minus 4. So plus minus will give you the sign of minus. Therefore plus minus is minus. 9 minus 4 which will give you the answer 5. B part. 5 integer 1 upon 2 plus 3 integer 2 upon 5 which is equal to 5 plus 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 5 which is equal to 8 plus 5 plus 4 upon 10 which is equal to 8 plus 9 upon 10. Therefore 5 integer 1 upon 2 plus 3 integer 2 upon 5 is equal to 8 integer 9 upon 10. Question number 4. Convert into decimal form. A part 36 upon 40 which is equal to 9 into 4 upon 10 into 4 which is equal to 9 upon 10 which will give me 0.9. B part 9 upon 8 which is equal to 9 into 125 upon 8 into 125 which will give me 1125 upon 1000 which will give me 1.125. So 9 upon 8 is equal to 1.125. Question number 5. Using proper tools of geometric box, draw a 60-degree angle and bisect it. First take a scale and draw a ray of any measurement. Name it B and C. Keep the protractor on point B and mark 60-degree angle Then draw and complete the angle. Now keep the compass on point P, take any measurement and draw an arc on point P and point Q. Then keep the compass on point Q and draw an arc on point O and repeat the same procedure with P. Worksheet videos are coming very soon, so stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe Hansini. Thank you.